If you have any troubleshooting permissions with Retriever, you can do a fresh install by going to your myaccount.google.connections and uninstalling Retriever, deleting all the permissions you've shared. So this will do reset the permission setting so that you could do a fresh install. So now, let's say I'm on Brave and I want to install it from scratch. I'll just go to Retriever, click the add to Brave, and now Retriever is installed. And I can just spin it for reuse and then click sign in with Google and choose the account I want to sign in with. Now now Retriever has permission to use your Google authentication, but it doesn't have any permission to create Google Sheets. So when you click any of the examples, it will trigger the pop-up to grant a Retriever access to creating new Google files, as well as specific Google files that you share with Retriever using the Google Drive picker. So it's very secure, and Retriever has very limited permissions with any of your files. So you just click continue, and now Retriever has permission to create a Google Sheet, and it will create the Google Sheet in a very specific folder of Retriever outputs. So the rest of the workflow will continue now that you granted the permission. Uh, yeah, so this was the template example that I gave of extracting data from hacker names. And the Google Sheet is very critical because we use it as a memory for the agent throughout multiple steps so that it could say step 2 output of Google Sheet, reuse it in step 7, for example. So the data is there, it's written, and it's successfully done. Thank you so much.